Why do Arabs usually say Baddi ktab instead of ktab Baddi? Both are possible, but they don't feel the same. Today we'll learn how Arabic word order changes the feeling of a sentence. Let's start with the normal word order. بدي كتاب بدي كتاب بدي قهوة بدي قهوة بدي سيارة بدي سيارة أو بدي مساعدة بدي مساعدة. This is the word order you will hear most of the time. Native speakers usually say the verb or expression first, then the thing they are talking about. It's natural and neutral and used in everyday conversation. But sometimes Arabs change the order. And why? When Arabs move the noun to the beginning, they are giving it extra emphasis. They are not changing the meaning, they are changing what they want you to notice. Depending on the tone, it can sound more insistent, frustrated, or even angry. The emphasis comes from both the word order and the speaker's voice. كتاب بدي مو مجلة كتاب بدي مو مجلة قهوة بدي مو شاي قهوة بدي مو شاي سيارة بدي مو دراجة. So what's the rule? The rule is simple. If you are just speaking normally, use the natural word order. بدي كتاب. And if you want to stress one word or strongly correct someone, you can move it to the front. Ktab, Bidi. Native speakers do this naturally when they want to emphasize something. Let's look at a few real situations. شو بدك شو بدك بدي قهوة شو بدك A بدي قهوة شاي لا قهوة بدي. In the first example, the answer is calm and natural. In the second example, the speaker is correcting the other person. That's why the word قهوة comes first. This kind of emphasis is very common in spoken Arabic. And that's the secret. In everyday conversation, Arabs usually use the natural word order. But when they want to emphasize something, they often move the important word to the beginning. It's a small change, but it makes you sound much more natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe for more spoken Arabic. See you in the next lesson.